Understanding condenser cleaning, a key to efficiency. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a specific phrase that might sound technical at first but is quite important in various contexts: condenser cleaning. Whether you're interested in engineering, HVAC systems, or just expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning and significance of condenser cleaning together. At its core, condenser cleaning refers to the process of removing dirt, debris, and other contaminants from the condenser unit of a cooling system. The condenser is a crucial component in refrigeration and air conditioning systems, responsible for releasing heat from the refrigerant to the outside air. Over time, this unit can become clogged with various particles, which can significantly reduce the system's efficiency and lifespan. Thus, condenser cleaning is essential for maintaining optimal performance and energy efficiency. Now that we understand what condenser cleaning entails, let's delve into why it's so important. Firstly, regular cleaning ensures that the system operates efficiently, which can lead to lower energy bills and a reduced environmental impact. Secondly, it extends the lifespan of the equipment, preventing premature failure and costly replacements. Lastly, clean condensers can improve the overall air quality in the environment, as a dirty condenser can lead to poor performance of the system and potentially circulate harmful particles. Condenser cleaning can vary depending on the type and size of the system, but the process generally involves several key steps. Firstly, the power to the unit is turned off for safety. Then, debris and loose dirt are removed, often using a brush or vacuum. For more thorough cleaning, chemical solvents or pressurized water may be used to dissolve and wash away stubborn grime. It's important that this task is performed carefully to avoid damaging the delicate fins on the condenser coil. In many cases, professionals are called in to ensure the job is done safely and effectively. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and meaning of condenser cleaning. It's a term that might not come up in everyday conversation, but it plays a significant role in the efficiency and longevity of cooling systems around us. Whether you're studying English for professional reasons or just curious about how things work, understanding terms like this can be incredibly rewarding. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future. Stay curious, and happy learning!